Artificial intelligence in programming looks like a dream come true. Instead of searching Google, browsing Stack Overflow, or reading documentation, you just type a question and get working code. For many developers, this feels like jumping from a typewriter to a computer. But as with every technological leap, what looks like pure acceleration often hides new and very real problems. According to GitHub, in teams using Copilot, more than 55% of newly written code comes directly from AI suggestions. That means that in many projects, a language model now writes more code than a human. This is no longer a novelty or an experiment. It is a fundamental shift in how software is being produced. In 2023, Microsoft studied teams using Copilot and found that they completed tasks about 40% faster. That sounds impressive, but at the same time, the quality of first versions went down. More logical errors, more edge cases, and more security issues appeared. AI accelerates typing, but it does not improve understanding. AI works best when the problem is local. If you need to write an SQL query, transform JSON, build a regex, or generate a unit test, AI acts like a rocket-powered keyboard. These tasks have clear inputs and outputs, so the model can see the entire problem and produce a correct solution. That is why companies like Netflix, Shopify, and GitHub use AI mainly for testing, refactoring, and documentation. They do not let AI decide system architecture. They treat it as a tool that supports engineers, not as a replacement for them. And that is where AI delivers real value. The problem starts when code stops being a small fragment and becomes part of a large system. AI does not know your architecture. It does not know why your data is structured the way it is. It does not understand the trade-offs that were made. To the model, everything is just text. A 2024 Stanford study showed that developers using AI were more likely to introduce security vulnerabilities, not because AI does not know security rules, but because people stop checking them. The code looks correct, so it gets accepted. And security only becomes visible when something breaks. AI can generate answers that sound extremely confident but are wrong. Google Brain researchers called this confident hallucinations. The code looks professional, but it solved the wrong problem for the real system. Juniors often miss this. Seniors usually catch it. AI has a natural tendency to generate generic, layered solutions. Instead of one simple mechanism, you get multiple layers of abstraction. This increases complexity and maintenance costs. Systems become harder to understand, harder to change, and more expensive to run. AI in programming works best as a skill amplifier. For experienced engineers, it is a powerful advantage. For inexperienced ones, it can become an autopilot that leads them in the wrong direction. AI speeds up those who understand, but it can slow down those who do not. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, consider subscribing for more technical, no-hype analysis of AI and technology.